Very lovely good morning to all of you guys. I am Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are exploring HD. Today I am at the airport. This is the international airport of Bali and my brother is going back to country. So I came to see off him, and after see off we have lots of plan. We have to go to explore so many places. First we will see off him and from there we will move to we will decide later where we will move because we have lot of time to explore here today. So when you go this way is domestic airport, and this is international terminal. You just have to read the signboards, that will be convenient for you. It was available in both language, Indonesian and English. Now my brother came here, I don't know, I have to wait for him, and the most difficult thing that he don't have internet. You are coming here for the drop-off, so the drop-off is on the 3rd floor, and I think this is the drop-off place. Yes. I just got a call from my brother and he said he is in front of departure A and B. So where is he?
I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to.
So my brother just checked in and he is ready to fly to India. And from here I wanna go outside. Now I am just thinking where I have to go. Let's go to Kuta beach. Yeah, come on. Okay, so guys, here we reach at the Kuta beach. You can see the Kuta. And let's go inside and check out the beach, how it is. Ooh. So this was the most famous beach here in Kuta, in Denpasar. So this is in the center of the city. Well, actually the Kuta is famous for the beach and the nightlife. Here at the night the roads get crowded and there are so many pubs, and if I get today a time, so I will come at night here. So for the night this place is really beautiful, and for the morning and you can enjoy the beach. You can do surfing also here. There are lots of facility available, and if you don't know surfing, so here you will get the guide for the surfing. So that guide will teach you that how to do surfing. So do not worry about that you don't know surfing or you don't have any surfboard, so they will provide you everything. So one more information for you, if you are eating a food at the beachside restaurant, it's quite expensive than you are eating in the center of the city or outside this beach area. So if you are a backpacker, you are a budget traveler, so better way is not to eat here, and you can find a cheap food outside this Kuta beach area. Right now I am searching for a food, but I will not eat here, I will eat at some another place because here it's too expensive. This is the Kuta area which I shown you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification icon. In that case, you will not miss any of the video. So thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will come back in the next video at this place at night. Till then, stay aware, stay conscious and stay safe. Wear the helmet and have a safe ride.